all. Tonight we're gonna burn them all. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons, and you are going to now learn how to play, you guessed it, this is Kameron Marlowe, Burn 'Em All, okay? This is a really great song. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know. I've got a couple, I'm waiting on, but that I'm going to try and do for you guys. But if you got other songs you want to know, whether they're punk or country or whatever, just or classic rock or something, let me know, okay? I'll do my best for you guys. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, okay? So super fun song, very easy. It's only 3 chords, okay? And it's in standard tuning, no capo, so it's pretty sweet. Okay, so the way that you're going to play this song, strumming pattern is crazy easy. All right, so you're going to start the song. The intro is G, B minor, A. And that's how it is for most of the song. Not all of it, but most of it. I'll show you where it is and isn't, okay? And then the strumming pattern is just down, 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 down. You can also just do it down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? You can go. I think it sounds better if you do just the downs, but whatever you want to do, okay? So both will work. So the way that the intro is going to go is you're going to play the G, B minor, A twice, okay? So you play it one more time. G, B minor, A. Okay, then you're going to go here. I would palm mute it. Okay, so you're going to put this part of your hand right here as close as you can to that white part, okay? So you're going to put it right there, and you're going to plug many of the bass notes. See, so here on G I'm doing the E and A. B minor, I'm doing the A and D, okay? And then on A, you're still doing A and D, okay? Okay, you got it? So super easy, okay? So for the verses, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna do G, so you're gonna do on there's a pack of Marlboro Reds. Reds is A. Reds in my jacket pocket, okay? So you're just gonna do G, A there, you're gonna skip the B minor. Then the next line, the next part, you're gonna do G on slung, kind of after pocket, but slung over the, so you can do G, B minor, A. You're gonna do slung over the shotgun seat, okay? Seat is where you're gonna do A, seat in my truck, okay? Then you're gonna go back to G. Just waiting on is B minor, on the right time, okay? Time is A. So it's gonna be just waiting on the right time and state of mind, okay? So after mind, you're gonna do G. Heck, I did, I found. Let's see. So then on hell, you're gonna do G. All right, and then you're gonna do B minor on I found. Tonight. Tonight we're gonna burn them all. Okay, so you're still palm muting here, G. So after burn them all, you're gonna do G, B minor, A. Okay, then you're gonna go through the next part of the verse, which then goes G. Got is G. Got a time card. Card is B minor. Card. Saying 50. 50 is A. 50 hours running. Okay, then you go to G. All is G. All my buddies at is A. So you're skipping the B minor there. Okay, so you just go G, B minor, A, then G, A. Then you're gonna go to, and it would be fine if you just did G, B minor, A the whole time. I don't think that's how he plays it, or how the artist plays it, like on the album, but you could do that. So you're gonna go back to G, so you're gonna do G, B minor, A, G, A, G, B minor, A, G, A, G, B minor, A. So at the end, you're gonna do, baby, I got, all right, got is G, got tonight. Okay, so after tonight, you're gonna do A. Tonight, we're gonna burn them all. Then you're just gonna do G, B minor, A. And at this point, I would probably stop palm muting it. You don't have to palm mute, but if you're gonna do it, I would do it softer and then get louder here. So, gonna burn them all. Okay, then you're gonna mute. After you do this, the A at the end, then you're gonna go. All right, so you're gonna get loud here for the chorus. Pour the gas, light the match, set the night on fire. Okay, so you're gonna do G is pour. Pour the gas, light the match. Match is A. Match, set the night on fire. Okay, fire, at the end of fire you do G. So I set the blaze, let the flames. Okay, flames is A. Flames get higher. Okay, then after higher, you're gonna, and sorry, I have a hard time hitting the notes on this one. Higher is, and then you do G. Every cigarette, every dollar. Dollar is A. Dollar, every problem you got on you. Okay, you got on is G. On you from a town. Town is B minor. Town this small. Okay, small is A. Small. And then you're gonna do G, B minor, A, and as soon as you get to A, tonight we're gonna, actually you're gonna kind of start doing before you get to A, but you're gonna do G minor, sorry, G, B minor, yeah, tonight we're gonna burn them all. So you're gonna do tonight is like A, tonight we're gonna burn them all. Okay, then you go to G, G, B minor, A. Okay, you play it once, G, B minor, A, and then you're gonna go into the next verse. All right, next verse, same as the first. Okay, then you're gonna do the chorus again, very similar to the one before. The only difference here is that after the second chorus, you are going to do, this is where the solo is. So you can decide what you want to do here, but it goes G, B, so you're just doing G, B minor, A, and then you're gonna do G, B minor, A. So it's just like the intro, okay? I'm not gonna show you how to play like the solo here. I actually don't know it, so I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, so then you're gonna go to the bridge and you're just gonna do that same thing. Okay, G, B minor, A, and you're just gonna do that twice. Every chance, every chance, every moment. Okay, moment is A, so it's G is every chance is B minor, every moment is A, okay? Moment, catch a spark, keep it going. Okay, going is G, going, keep it going. Going is B minor, going, yeah, yeah. And on yeah, you're doing A, yeah. And then for this part of the chorus, I would actually just palm mute it for first half of it, because it really builds, okay? So anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. It's been a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.